What are we building, Grady?
Giant ultimate fun.
How do you do it?
Sing like the directions say. Okay? Now listen. If you want to build this, you have to listen to me. You have to do what the directions say and follow the arrows that it says, okay?
Okay, let's do it.
Let's have some fun. Yay! And riding a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle guts, all the guts. Oh, what garden is to cut? And a one-horse open gut.
How'd you doing on this thing, Grady? You getting it?
Easy, 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 easy. I follow the directions and I build it as fine as a knucklehead fart.
What are you building, Grady?
A roller coaster, okay?
How many years do you think it's going to take to build it?
0 years.
Are we going to be able to ride on it?
No, it's too weak. See these things? They are crushed like a popping snap corn.
Okay. Anything you want to tell the camera before we build some more?
You're under arrest, camera.
Okay. No, over here. From this blue one up to this blue one.
From this blue one down to this blue one?
I think that's what the directions say.
It doesn't reach.
From this blue one to that gray one, I mean.
Which blue one? This blue
No,
one?
look, right here. Right here. Up to right there. For cross stability. Now we have 5 and we've used 3 and we need 2 more. Good job.
Skinny pieces. We bit every single piece was little. The only pieces that were big is orange and the blue pieces. All the rest were little.
Think we're gonna get it done in one day?
Hey, camera.
What are we doing?
Building roller coaster set.
How's it getting?
Really good. We already built that and that. This is going to hook onto that. Then we're going to build some more. And we're going to put the track on, put the black thing on. The black thing that you connect them all together. And the track's over it. And then we can put our car and our battery on and zoom, zoom, zoom. And we have to put the batteries in it.
Hi, Sam. Okay, we're ready for our first run.
Can I turn the motor on?
Dad was gonna watch the first run.
Can I turn the motor on?
Won't you wait till Dad gets back?
He's back.
Okay.
Put it at the bottom and let it pull itself.
Ah, that's what's happening.
Well, the track's offline somewhere.
Put it at the bottom. You broke it.
Yeah, I did.
Sammy, what are you doing?
Thing is threading it back on the back.
Sammy.
Bottom. That's what's wrong.
What you got there, Sam?
Unless we miscounted somewhere when we were doing the tracks.
Sammy! It's too long. That's going to put torque on the tower.
Stop.
Are you filming? Here it goes. Here it goes, Sam. Back up, Grady. It's going to hit your leg.
Ah, it's gonna blow up.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Uh-oh. Hit.
Test run number 1 failure.
Alright. How do we fix this part?
That brace is loose. Alright, back to the drawing board. The end of this clip.
Wait a minute. Try it again.
Sammy, what's going
I
on?
got it high enough now to run.
Say failure. And you need to shorten that up or do something different with the chain. You don't need it to run the way it is. It's going to put torque on the track.
Torque like too long. Is it too short a train or too long a train?
The chain's too long.
It's what I counted.
You counted.
Yeah, I had a specific number. Okay, Grady, get it back to the top here and we'll try it again. Okay. Whoa! It almost it didn't quite
It
catch
should
that.
catch itself.
Watch out.
Oh, low five. He's fast. Low five. You're too slow. Low five. Whoa. You're too slow.
You're gonna wake up Annie and Sam.
Pretty fast. Can't do much with it.
Now
Took
go.
out some parts and put an integral structure brace right here with a flagpole.
Now what are you gonna do with the flagpole?
The weakest spot is this segment here. It's got a big thing here where it flops around.
Yeah.
Still made it.
After watching this project, I'll never ride another roller coaster in my life.
There's section shimmies. It's a fast roller coaster.
Oh yeah.
It covers that much territory per square
If that
foot.
was
Now go call your mom. Tell her to come watch it.
Come back right here.
oh, my fix it.
That's your daddy engineer. Everybody knows
That's right. You're gonna put this online as your HVAC advertisement.
how much our $5 for that.
Oh yeah.
I should have said expensive.
You just like post to Facebook or YouTube. It'll do it for you.
See that?
But I'll. Grady, what did you do?
I built it.
Who helped you?
You and Dada.
Get your hands out of the track. You can't run your hands over.
Do that.
Yes.
Grady.
It ain't that
There it
kind.
goes. Whee.
Gotta find somewhere to put it and leave it. It didn't make it that bad.
Oh, but it went to there. I can't.
Yeah, and that knot in the window on the shelf, that didn't work. Going up,
No.
leave it alone. Here we go, we'll see if it makes it this
When
time.
it doesn't make it, you gotta look for where it's losing energy. It's just not quite making it right now. Something could be coming loose or
Everybody be real still. Whee!
watch it as it comes down. It's touching, it's just not going to catch it on.
Okay,
Chain's got some kinks in and out on it. If it comes at the wrong time, it won't catch it.
That time it caught it.
anything you want to tell Uncle B and Grady? I'm going to send them this video here. You tell them thanks for getting you the roller coaster.
Tell you're gonna send him it.
Yeah, the video.
Well, say Grady and Mama building the roller coaster, and Daddy